You're watching Tap Tech, the place where real tech meets honest opinions. We dive deep into gadgets that matter, and today we're going to look at a laptop that has become one of the most loved gaming notebooks in recent years. The ROG Zephyrus G14 is not just another gaming laptop. It's a device that has surprised people with its mix of performance, design, and portability. Many laptops promise power, but very few manage to deliver it in such a compact form factor. And that's where the G14 really stands out. This is a laptop that tries to balance almost everything: gaming, productivity, creativity, and mobility, while still keeping a unique personality that you won't find in many rivals. Before we get into the details, let's talk about what makes the G14 so special in the first place. It was one of the first gaming laptops that didn't look like a bulky machine. Instead, it looked stylish, modern, and portable, yet it was still powerful enough to play demanding games. That formula quickly made it popular with both gamers and professionals. The new models continue to refine this balance, and they add more power than before. But is it still the king of compact gaming laptops? Let's find out together. The specifications are where the G14 instantly makes its mark. Asus packs this machine with up to AMD Ryzen 9 processors, which are well known for their efficiency and multi-core performance. These CPUs are paired with NVIDIA's latest RTX GPUs, going up to an RTX 4070 in the current generation. That means you're not just looking at smooth gaming but also a laptop that can handle heavy creative workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming. The memory options are generous too, with up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. That ensures smooth multitasking, whether you're running multiple apps, editing large files, or switching between games and productivity work. Storage is handled by a PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and you get up to 1 TB of space. That gives you plenty of room for games, projects, and media while ensuring fast load times and snappy performance. What's impressive is how all these high-end components are packed inside such a small body. The G14 has a 14-inch frame, which makes it one of the smallest laptops with this level of power. Most gaming laptops of this performance class are 15 or 16 inches, but Asus proves it can be done in a smaller package without making big sacrifices. Design has always been one of the main selling points of the G14. It doesn't scream gamer with flashy RGB lights or bulky corners. Instead, it has a clean and minimal design that feels premium. The lid has a dot matrix pattern, and on some models, Asus includes the anime matrix display. That's a grid of tiny LEDs that can show custom animations, text, and even notifications. It's a feature that gives the G14 personality, and it's something you won't find on other laptops. The build quality is excellent. The chassis is made from magnesium alloy, which makes it light but durable. It doesn't flex much, and it feels solid in hand. The weight is around 3.5 pounds, which is light for a gaming laptop. That makes it easy to carry around in a backpack, and it's a big reason why students and professionals like this machine. You can take it to a classroom, office, or cafe without feeling like you're carrying a giant piece of hardware. Opening the lid reveals a clean keyboard deck with well-spaced keys and a large touchpad. Asus includes a fingerprint reader integrated into the power button for quick logins, which is both convenient and secure. The keyboard has a white backlight, and while it doesn't feature per-key RGB lighting like some bigger gaming laptops, it fits the professional look of the machine. The typing experience is very comfortable, with good key travel and feedback, making it great for long typing sessions. The display is one of the areas where the G14 really impresses. It comes with a 14-inch QHD Plus panel that has a high refresh rate, usually around 165 Hz, depending on the model. The resolution ensures sharp visuals, while the refresh rate makes motion look smooth. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just scrolling through content, the experience is fluid and enjoyable. Color accuracy is excellent too, with 100% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut on higher-end models. That means creative professionals can trust this display for photo editing, video grading, and design work. The brightness is also solid, making it usable outdoors or in bright environments. The thin bezels add to the modern look and keep the footprint small, so you get more screen without increasing the size of the laptop. Performance is where the G14 shows its true strength. Powered by AMD's Ryzen processors, this laptop handles both single-core and multi-core workloads with ease. That means it's fast for daily tasks like browsing and office apps, but it's also a beast when it comes to demanding work like rendering and compiling. Paired with NVIDIA's RTX GPUs, gaming performance is excellent. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Call of Duty run smoothly at high settings, especially with DLSS enabled. The cooling system plays a big role in maintaining this performance. Asus uses vapor chamber cooling and liquid metal thermal compounds on the CPU, which keep temperatures in check. This allows the laptop to sustain high performance without too much thermal throttling. Yes, the fans can get loud when pushed to the limit, but that's expected on a gaming laptop of this size. The important thing is that it stays cool enough to deliver consistent performance. Software and features add to the overall experience. The Armoury Crate app is the central hub for controlling performance modes, fan speeds, lighting, and other settings. It lets you quickly switch between silent, performance, and turbo modes depending on what you're doing. Windows Hello support via the fingerprint scanner adds convenience, and the laptop also supports Wi-Fi 6E for faster and more stable wireless connectivity. The battery life is another area where the G14 shines compared to many gaming laptops. Thanks to the efficiency of AMD processors, you can get around 8 to 10 hours of light to moderate use, such as web browsing, document editing, or video streaming. That's impressive for a gaming machine. Of course, when gaming, battery life drops significantly, but that's expected. Another bonus is USB-C charging. You can charge the laptop with a 100W USB-C charger, which is lighter and more portable than the large brick usually included. That makes it much easier to travel with. Gaming and creative performance both stand out on this laptop. For gaming, the combination of a high refresh rate screen and RTX graphics makes competitive titles like Valorant, Apex Legends, and Fortnite feel incredibly smooth. For creative professionals, a high-core CPU and GPU acceleration make workloads like 4K video editing or Blender rendering fast and reliable. It's one of the few laptops that genuinely bridges the gap between gaming and creative work, which is why so many content creators are drawn to it. Speakers are surprisingly good for such a compact machine. The G14 uses a quad-speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support, and the audio quality is clear and rich. For casual listening, movies, or even some music editing, the sound is enjoyable without always needing headphones. The placement of the speakers helps too, delivering a fuller audio experience compared to many other laptops of this size. Connectivity is another strong point. The laptop includes a good mix of ports, USB-C with power delivery, HDMI 2.1, USB-A ports, and a headphone jack. You also get support for the latest Wi-Fi 6E, which ensures fast and stable connections if you have a compatible router. The only real downside is the lack of an Ethernet port, but most users will be fine with fast Wi-Fi. Now, when it comes to price and value, the G14 sits in a premium category, but it still feels worth it for what it offers. Depending on the configuration, prices usually start around $1,600 and can go above $2,000 for higher-end models. While that might sound expensive, you're getting a unique package that combines portability, power, and design. If you're looking for a laptop that can game, create, and travel easily, it's hard to find a direct competitor that matches all these aspects. Of course, no laptop is perfect, and the G14 has its pros and cons. On the positive side, you get excellent performance in a small body, great build quality, a beautiful display, strong battery life for a gaming laptop, and a unique design. On the downside, it can get loud under heavy loads, there's no built-in webcam on some models, and the price is not cheap. But for many users, the strengths far outweigh these weaknesses. In the end, the ROG Zephyrus G14 proves why it continues to be one of the most respected gaming laptops on the market. It's not just about raw performance, it's about balance. It manages to be powerful without being bulky, stylish without losing functionality, and portable without making too many compromises. That combination makes it a laptop that appeals not only to gamers but also to professionals, students, and creators. So, if you've been searching for a laptop that can truly do it all without tying you down, the G14 deserves serious consideration. It's a rare example of a machine that lives up to the hype, and even in a crowded market, it stands out as something special. This was Tap Tech, where we bring you the truth about the latest gadgets and gear. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to stick around because we've got more honest breakdowns coming soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.